Welcome to our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. At its center lies the Sun, a massive star whose gravity binds 8 major planets. These worlds are divided into rocky inner planets and outer gas and ice giants. Together, they orbit in perpetual harmony, showcasing the majestic laws of celestial mechanics. First from the Sun is Mercury, a small, airless world of extreme contrasts. Lacking a protective atmosphere to trap heat, its surface oscillates from a scorching 427 degrees Celsius in the daytime to a freezing minus 173 degrees Celsius at night. It is the fastest revolving planet in our system. Second is Venus, a planet wrapped in a thick, toxic atmosphere of carbon dioxide. This dense shroud traps solar radiation, triggering a runaway greenhouse effect that makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, with temperatures high enough to melt lead. It rotates slowly in a retrograde direction. Third is Earth, our home planet, and the only known haven for life in the universe. Positioned perfectly in the circumstellar habitable zone, Earth maintains liquid surface water, a dynamic nitrogen-oxygen atmosphere, and a strong magnetic field that shields it from solar winds, nurturing billions of species. Fourth is Mars, the red planet, a cold desert world covered in iron oxide dust. It features a thin carbon dioxide atmosphere, frozen polar caps of water and dry ice, and the solar system's tallest volcano, Olympus Mons. NASA rovers actively search its dry valleys for signs of ancient microbial life. Fifth is Jupiter, the largest planet, containing more than twice the mass of all other planets combined. This gas giant is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, wrapped in colorful cloud bands, and marked by the Great Red Spot, a massive cyclonic storm larger than Earth that has raged for centuries. Sixth is Saturn, a gas giant famous for its spectacular ring system. These broad rings are composed of billions of ice particles, rocky debris, and dust. Saturn has a very low density, being less dense than water, and is orbited by Titan, a giant moon with a dense nitrogen atmosphere and liquid methane lakes. Seventh is Uranus, a pale cyan ice giant composed of water, ammonia, and methane ices. Unlike any other planet, Uranus rotates on its side, with its spin axis tilted nearly parallel to its orbital plane, likely due to a massive ancient collision. This creates extreme, decades-long seasonal variations. Eighth from the Sun is Neptune, a deep blue ice giant swept by supersonic winds that are the fastest in the solar system. Orbiting at the freezing edge of the planetary system, Neptune's deep blue color comes from methane in its atmosphere, and it is orbited by Triton, a geologically active moon with nitrogen geysers.